histology. No. So what I want you to do is just be relaxed. Okay, just relax and look at the images. Because the histology questions are not too hard in terms of what they ask, but it's to identify what's under that you're looking at. Okay? So the primary thing in both UP and Neuro Histology is what am I looking at? Okay? So we're going to spend an hour. I don't think we'll be here for any more than an hour. First half an hour looking at neuro or maybe less. So what are we looking at here now? So Jessica, what are we looking at now? So when you look down the microscope, all right, what are you looking at? Just don't worry what the pointer is at, but what are you looking at? And I think this is showing quite nice.
Is it prostate? It's neuro?
Neuro.
Oh.
So you're in the neuro section.
I think dorsal ganglion.
Very good. So this is a ganglion. Okay? So you're looking here at a ganglion. So these are the nerve cell bodies that you're looking at right here. This is nerve cell body of the ganglion. Okay? So these are post-ganglionic cell bodies. Alright, not pre, but these are obviously post-ganglionic cell bodies. The pre-ganglionic cell bodies, as you know, lie within the central nervous system. Post-ganglionic cell bodies are in the peripheral nervous system. Okay, and this is a peripheral ganglion. Okay, this ganglion is in fact one that is situated right beside the suprarenal gland. Okay, and the ganglion itself is a cell body that's a nucleus. And we're seeing a lot of nerve fibers. So these are axons that we're looking at right here. So lots of little axons right here, and there. So lots of them. Okay. You can see them. Look like some little straws. Look at that. Right at the tip here. So these could be some pre or post ganglionic fibers that we're looking at right here. Okay. So pre or post. We know that this is coming from neural crest tissue, alright, so ectodermal in origin from neuroectoderm. Okay. And we see here these cells, and these cells are always coming in the exam. So the nuclei of them, they're flattened cells that surround the cell bodies, and these are referred to as satellite cells. Okay. So these are the satellite cells. So just take a good look at this. Okay. Alright, so we're looking here at the ganglion. Okay. You can see this encapsulated right here. It's a capsule surrounding the ganglion right here. And this is where lots of nerves are entering in. Okay. So these could be just the input of the pre or post ganglionic fibers right here. These are very, very distinctive nuclei of the post-ganglionic cell body, and the cells are very, very nice here. These flattened satellite cells that surround the cell bodies of the neuron. There's a good one right here, right there. See, there. So this is beautiful. You can see the flattened cell there, and that basically will be the satellite cells. Okay? So you get a good look at it. fantastic node around there. Okay, so that's a node around there. So there is LS of a nerve. It's the LS of a nerve. And what is staining dark there is the myelin sheath. So the myelin sheath is staining dark right here. And these gaps, okay, are your nodes right here. So this is very, very nice. You can see the axons are of different diameters. Okay, so there are some slender axons here, right? So very, very small in diameter, and some are very large, and some have very thin myelin sheaths. For example, this one is heavily insulated here. You can see it's very black, picking up a lot of the osmium tetroxide. And there you see now the gap junctions, okay, right around here. There, it's quite good. Okay, reasonable. So remember, we're going on a long journey. We just sort of reacquainting ourselves with structures. Okay? Alright. So here we see. So that's the LS of the nerve. It's a beautiful right here. Look at that there. This is quite a large node here. So that's the node right here. Okay? Reasonable? Alright. So that's all. Okay. That's a nice one. So once again, another one slide. So I'm very fortunate that all the slides I'm picking up every 5 minutes. Alright. So this one is a silver stained spinal cord. This is silver stained spinal cord right here. And we are right in the ventral horn of the spinal cord. And the student tried to contact me. I don't remember the name of that student. Okay, and they're asking about the spinocerebellar tracts. Okay, so for exam purposes, the spinocerebellar tracts have their origin in the dorsal nucleus dorsalis or the thoracic nucleus or Clark's skull. Okay, so that's what they have. So there you can see now, these are all large multipolar neurons. These are all large multipolar neurons. And I'm just scanning it, seeing if I can find a good axon here. Okay? Trying to see if we can find a good axon here. Okay? But this is a cross-section through the spinal cord. Here you can see the meninges surrounding the spinal cord, right here. Alright. It's a human spinal cord. Okay. So there you can see the central canal, isn't that so? One of these things is much smaller and the other one is much larger. Okay? Alright, so how are they named? So you have an anterior median what? Fissure. Okay? That's an anterior median fissure, and then we have a posterior median sulcus. Okay? And this makes sense here because there you can see that this definitely is the ventral horn. Isn't that so? You can see that's the ventral horn for sure, because these are where the multipolar neurons are. Okay? So this is a butterfly-shaped gray matter, and these are the dorsal horns up here. Okay? Those are the dorsal horns, so that's the dorsal horn. They can ask you, okay, so you maybe have a section like this. So that's the dorsal horn on this aspect, and that's the ventral horn on this aspect, because we see that because of the presence of the multipolar neurons. Okay, over here, then this is going to lead us to the nerve, and maybe sometimes you can pick up the dorsal ganglion. So right at the tip here, right at the tip, just as the dorsal root comes in, the dorsal root meets an area known as the what? Jessica, the dorsal root, what is the dorsal root first encounter?
Marginal. Something. The laminar, you mean?
What's the name of that layer that they encounters first?
Substantial gelatin.
Superficial to that.
The marginal. The
Tract of Lissor, isn't that so?
Yeah.
Lissor's tract. Yeah, posterior lateral tract of Lissor, isn't that so? What does Lissor's tract contain? Collaterals, or incoming, especially pain. Collaterals that are sending a couple of segments above and sending a couple of segments below. And then deep to it is the substantia gelatinosa, which is about in this area. And then we move into an area of the nucleus proprius. Okay? Alright? So there is the central canal in that region. And let's just look. We may be able to find an axon below. So let's one try this. So this is a silver stain section. I can just look maybe just even at this pole. This is the axon below. Okay? Maybe right here. Ah, there, see right here? There. So with the one that has a very, very faint, very, very lightly stained. So around there is the axon, and this here. Alright, but you may find better examples in the exam. Okay? Let me go up again, one more. So you can find one. So these are the multipolar neurons, okay? This is a good slide. This is a very, very good slide here.